going to talk about how to remove a Zoom conference, maybe like a misrecording from your account. So let's say that in your class, so for instance, in my class recording in Canvas, if I go to my cloud recordings, I have 4 files here because one of them was a short file that didn't last very long, and I don't need the students to see it. There's no way within Canvas to delete that. So how do I remove it so that my students don't have access to that file that they don't really need, and could be kind of weird or awkward. Maybe I was doing my hair or something. So the way to do that is to actually navigate on your computer to zoom.us. So this is kind of the back end where all of your stuff is actually stored is in Zoom. If you're not signed in, you're going to sign in with your account. There should be a sign in button. Remember to use your VSC account if you're watching this video from Castleton or any of the Vermont State College schools. If you're watching it from somewhere else, then whatever the email is that you signed up with, definitely use that account. But go ahead and click on My Account once you're signed in. And then navigate to your recordings on the left. So let me just see if I can maybe zoom this in a bit. One of these options is recordings. So we're going to click on recordings. And I know that it's the recordings for my class right here, my 1270 course. So I'm going to click on that file. And it was recordings that happened today. Oh, these are on my recordings for today, April 2nd, 2020, right? This is my file that I don't actually need, and this is the file that I would like to keep. So in my recordings, I can just go ahead and click the trash button, and it says, do you want to remove this? And I'm going to say yes. And now it's just my one recording and not the bad recording. If I go back to my Zoom, I'm going to have to do a reload to refresh the page and look at my cloud recordings, and now it just shows those 3 files instead of the original ones. And I think it's 3 files because there's an audio and a transcript kind of included. So that's the way that you can remove recordings where you stopped and then restarted the cloud recording on Zoom.